Fire season's greetings and welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Sunday, July 12th, 2026. Mid-level water vapor imagery with GLM lightning overlaid from Saturday afternoon into this morning show a series of low pressure systems west of the coast, moisture streaming northward across NorthOps in southerly flow, with pockets of instability most evident over and west of southern portions of SouthOps. Well south of there, the outer fringes of a tropical system that is likely to become a tropical storm this week is evident, while low pressure west of the Hawaiian Islands spins moisture into there. IR and then true color visible satellite imagery with composite radar, GLM lightning, and surface obs shows mid to high clouds and elevated, mostly Virga radar returns tracking northward across much of California. Lightning so far today has been confined to the area just south of the Mexican border. A red flag warning from the National Weather Service is in effect for gusty winds and low RH across portions of the Modoc today. No lightning has been observed in the last 24 hours across NorthOps. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast, which is tracking well with the observations as of 0800, shows fairly low 20 to 40% RH and winds kicking up early from the Sierras northeastward today, with gusts 20 to as high as 40 miles per hour by late morning. This afternoon, those gusts spread across more of northeast California with RHs variable based on elevation. Winds generally settle down this evening and overnight, but some areas of breezy north and west winds will be present, along with mostly poor RH recoveries. Winds start off mostly light Monday and then increase from westerly directions in the afternoon to evening. Some thunderstorm outflow is indicated late in the day northeast of the Sierras. Monday night into Tuesday looks similar, but with some outflow evident from around Lassen National Park, north and east. The 6Z operational GFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows fast southerly flow across NorthOps this morning, with a rope of vorticity tracking northward across the Sierras much of today. That feature tracks a bit east and then northwestward some Monday as a couple of low pressure waves ripple through the flow. Tuesday into Tuesday night, a shortwave trough moves through in south-southwest flow. Broad southerly flow Wednesday is then followed by a stronger shortwave trough in southwest flow Thursday. Ridging rebuilds from the southeast Friday through next weekend as southerly flow becomes more southeasterly. As shown here, the SPC HRF paintball of high reflectivity with instability suggests no lightning potential across NorthOps today through Monday morning, but some potential is suggested for Monday afternoon. The RRFS simulated reflectivity hourly forecast shows light to moderate radar returns tracking north-northeast across the area today, suggesting precipitation aloft that could reach the surface at times, mostly in the East Bay area and southern Sacramento Valley, though it's not likely to amount to much if it does. Simulated returns stay east and west of NorthOps tonight through Monday morning, before returning Monday afternoon to evening. For Monday night into Tuesday, the model suggests some isolated thunderstorms in the Tahoe area and northeast California eastward. The EC lightning flash density forecast shows little to no lightning potential across NorthOps today through Monday, but then fairly high chances mostly across the northeast portion of the area Tuesday afternoon. Potential shifts east of the area Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 24-hour precipitation from the CNRFC shows just a few hundredths of precip possible today, mainly around Lake Tahoe, followed by a little more widespread potential Monday. The potential shifts northwest Tuesday, with none then indicated for Wednesday and Thursday. A little is shown across southern areas for Friday. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook indicates high risk for wind today across the Northeast California and Far East Side PSAs. Areas of high risk for lightning Monday and Tuesday, and then mostly moderate risk for the remainder of the 7-day period, as well as high risk across the Far East Side PSA Thursday. SouthOps is forecasting moderate risk today due to lightning potential, and then again for some more northern portions of their area Wednesday through Friday. Gusty winds and low RH today will continue a high significant fire risk across Northeast California and the Far East Side as high-based moisture overspreads the area in a southerly flow. Lightning potential increases in the Tahoe area Monday and then expands northwestward Tuesday, leading to some high risks for lightning across northern and eastern areas. Thunderstorm potential shifts east Wednesday, but southerly flow continues with a high risk for wind across the Far East Side PSA Thursday. High pressure then strengthens from the southeast, resulting in another surge of subtropical moisture in a southeast flow next weekend. This concludes today's fire weather webcast.